Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to win the mountain update race every single time. It really doesn't cost that money. You don't even need nothing. I mean, you do need, you only need 3 items, but like, you know, let me show you. Follow me guys, follow me. First of all, run into the mountain thing.
I just went so fast to the point where I'm flying.
I just got up the speed of light.
I'm ascending, bro.
Reverse.
I'm going too fast!
Oh my god! I'm on the mountain! Let's go!
Where did my backpack?
Wait, what? Oh, made it.
Yeah, there's this way.
Oh, what is that? Oh, no problem.
And I...
Issue.
Yo, man, that's one of my favorites.
Wait, I want to
It's enormous.
Oh my god! Skis?
Bro, one cares about the old man. That thing is old and ancient. Spinning his eyes, bro. You don't know me, bro. I'm spinning his eyes. No, actually, shut up.
Let me tell you why you get another one.
It's 30s and... Nobody can for my life. Shut up, y'all, you nerds.
Just in case.
This place is usually like very ginormous.
Pretty easy, pretty simple. How fast it goes. Yeah, basically here.
Y'all, all these bullies, shut up, you. Okay.
So yeah, that's funny, basically.
It's saying the N word.
In the first place.
Yeah, just ignore it, bro. That works with some
Basically, have fun. This update. Love you. Bye bye.